Ever sent money to a friend using Beem? It's quick, easy, and convenient. But have you ever stopped to wonder who's behind the app? Who owns Beem? Let's dive in. Now, you might think the answer is simple. A tech giant, maybe? A group of Silicon Valley wizards? Well, it's actually a bit more complex than that. Beem isn't just one thing, it's a name used by different companies in different parts of the world. So, let's break it down. First up, we have Beem. This is the original Beem, if you will. It's a popular instant payment app in Australia and New Zealand. And here's the kicker, it used to be owned by three of Australia's biggest banks, Commonwealth Bank, NAB, and Westpac. Yep, those traditional, brick-and-mortar banks were behind this shiny, new-age app. But hold on, there's a twist. In 2022, FPOS, another Australian payments giant, swooped in and bought Beem. So, now, it's part of the FPOS family. But wait, there's more. There's another Beem out there, making waves in Africa. It's called Beem Africa. This one is a communication platform, offering everything from messaging to video calls. And unlike its Australian counterpart, Beem Africa is privately owned. It's backed by a group of investors and is focused on expanding its reach across the African continent. Now, you might be wondering, why the same name for two completely different things? Well, in the world of branding, it happens. It's all about creating a strong, memorable identity. But it can also lead to some confusion, as we've just seen. So, to recap, Beem, the Australian payment app, is owned by FPOS. Beem Africa, the communication platform, is privately owned. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There could be other Beems out there, in other parts of the world, with different owners. The world of fintech and tech, in general, is constantly evolving. Companies are merging, acquiring, and rebranding at a rapid pace. So, while we've covered the major players in the Beem game for now, it's always possible that the landscape could change again. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.